I know you've been wondering where Gandalf the Green has been. I've got an update for you. Boy, Paul, we got Gandalf the Green looking pretty naked.
Yeah, man, it's naked.
Naked time at the Shinn house.
Naked.
So, what's our goal?
Our goal?
Yeah.
Wake up tomorrow morning.
You're funny.
No, we're swapping out the radiator because Gandalf has a special mission coming up. I won't say too much, but it involves a shipping container and an ocean voyage.
Ooh.
And we're going to be doing some touring in Gandalf somewhere where there may not be a lot of parts. That's all I'm going to say.
Wow, that's
so
exciting.
We got to make sure Gandalf is dialed in. Make sure it's ready to go, won't overheat or anything for this special assignment. That's all I'm saying.
So what are you achieving at the moment? You just cleaning out the yucky bugs and whatnot?
Yeah, there's some grease down there. I just kind of cleaned it up. There's some bare metal here. I'm going to prep it and I'm just going to hit it, you know, and then just make sure it doesn't rust or anything.
Nice. So I've been helping Paul take the clothes off of the green mobile here.
Yeah.
So when do you think this video will come out?
Well, you know, I got to talk with my agent, and you know, all the unions have to meet, and I don't know, next week.
Awesome. So it's going to have a new radiator or something?
It's the radiator we took out of it. I had it re-cored, so it's the original upper and lower tanks, but with a new core, with a 10 or 11 fin per inch core. This thing will never overheat.
So it's going to have new abs?
It's gonna have abs. Yep, it's gonna be old. So this thing will be able to run, you know, in 120 degree heat, no sweat, which could happen where it's going for this special assignment. So we want to make sure this thing is not going to overheat no matter what. So that's what we're doing. Derek's wife Jessica is always on everybody about safety glasses. So.
Well, when you get stuff in your eyes and you lose your vision a wife tends to complain a little.
I get it, yeah. So all I'm going to do is like these bare areas, I prepped it and everything. I'm just going to give it a, you know, just one of those, quick. Just so it doesn't rust. All bare. Now it's got something on it. So I feel better, you know. It's kind of a good feeling inside.
And it looks so much better too.
No one will see it. That's the great part.
It almost looks brand new. It's a brand new car.
This part looks brand new. The rest is, you know, it's a swirling pile of entropy. But this part here, right, looks fantastic. There we go. One rebuilt cross member.
It looks like Gandalf's wearing a meek stole.
Like that one that was over at the pick a prize table at the CCRG that had eyes on it.